Hello all, welcome to the new video. In this video, we are going to discuss about lookup. Basically, lookup function is used to retrieve the value from one table to the other. Say for example, here we have the details of employees like employee ID, name, job title and the rest of the details. And here we have a separate table like age and tenure. So here my first activity is I need to compare the age of every employee and I need to give the tenure title for them. So if you see, I have the age of every employee over here present. I have the age with respect to tenure title is given. Say for example, in case if an employee falls, the age of an employee is 34. Okay, 34 means it falls under this bracket between 25 and 35. So he should be marked as freshers. This is my criteria. Say I'll quote another example as well. Say for example, I have an employee whose age is 54. So 54 falls under this bracket above 45 and less than 60. So he should be marked as senior. Now I hope you are clear with the requirement. Basically, based on the age of employee, we need to give the tenure title to them. Okay. So it is not easily done manually. So that's why we are going for this function. Now let me explain you this function while writing it. Okay. So I'm typing lookup. I'm choosing this. So first lookup value means the value to be compared from the existing table. Here the value to be compared from the existing table is age. All right. So here we have age and here also age. So this is the value to be compared. I'm taking this lookup value, comma. Lookup vector is the range of values which we need to choose. This is the range of values. So that is age. I'm choosing this and the result vector is the result what we expect based on the lookup value. So how it works is first this lookup value will be compared with this range of values and the corresponding result vector would be attained for us. See, first I have chosen, let me show you the output. See, we have got an intermediate. His age is 41. It falls between 35 to 45. So we have declared him as intermediate. All right. Now let me rewrite it once again. Say lookup. All right. So the lookup value here is 24, comma, and the lookup vector is the age. This is the range of values which we need to compare with the existing table, comma, and this is the result vector. So based on these two comparison, I need this as an output. That is why I'm choosing this, and then I'm closing this. See, now we got everything done. So there is another one glitch here. So it has to be locked because it should stay static. All right, function f4. So this has become a sum. See, now I'm just giving a flash out. Now every employee tenure title has been given based on their age comparing with the existing table. I hope this is clear for you. Now let's move on to the next topic.